Okay, I've got the one where she's like, I hate you. She smacked me on her bachelorette party because I wouldn't let her get her tattoo. But and then the one time she was supposed to watch after me. One time I was supposed to watch after her, she ended up drinking toilet water. Literally. That was in high school. That was the weekend of our national competition. We had a 3-hour drive. A 3-hour bus ride.
She's drinking puke out of a toilet. I'm getting almost arrested. I'm like, this is...
Mom thinks we're having a slumber party at some girl's house that we never hung out with on the team, so she knew something was up. So the next morning, we're all on this bus going to Disney for nationals, and she goes, she knew apparently I drank of alcohol the next morning when I came home to get dressed, and she goes, Terry went to the store on the way because we're leaving. Okay, so we get on the bus. Terry Mace is there and she hands me a Publix sub, like the long footload, like a Publix sub. And you don't think those things out. She passed it, she handed it to me, and I was sitting in the back of the bus and she was eating the whole thing right now. I'm like, I'm not hungry. She goes, I'm so hungover.
Yeah, you're like, that's a lot.
The last thing I wanted to do was eat a sub, you know, and I was just like, ooh, throwing up. And then Megan, remember Megan was sitting behind Mom and she was like, remember how drunk Aaron was last night?
Aaron's like, what the hell are you doing?
Thanks, appreciate it. My mom's like, how's that sub?